Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to fix Fortnite stuttering on PC. So step number 1 is to check your PC specification. You have to verify your PC meets the Fortnite's minimum system requirements. And then if needed, you have to upgrade your RAM, GPU, or CPU for better performance. So to do that, you just have to press Windows plus R, and then this will then pop up. Then you just have to type this DXDIAG and then tap on OK. Now once you tap on OK, this will then show up. So here are your specifications. So you just have to open your Fortnite and then compare the two if you have made the specification or the minimum requirements of the Fortnite. Now for step number 2 is to update your graphics drivers. So this is the NVIDIA. You have to use GeForce Experience to update your drivers. So it looks something like this. Or you can also use AMD, use the Radeon software to get the latest updates. So it looks like this and this one. Step number 3 is to optimize in-game settings. So for graphics settings, you have to set the quality preset to low or medium. So you have to turn off shadows, motion blur, and V-Sync. Now you also have to set the frame rate limit to match your monitor's refresh rate. And then for performance mode, you have to enable performance mode for the setting to reduce stutters and improve FPS. For step number 5 is to optimize network setting. So for wired connection, use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable connection. You can also change the DNS. Use public DNS servers like Google DNS, like something like this, or Cloudflare DNS, just this one. Now you just have to verify the game files. Let me just move this. So to do that, just open the Epic Games launcher, go to your library, and click on the 3 dots next to Fortnite. And then just select Verify. Step number 8 is to enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. To do that, just go to Settings, tap on System, go to Display, and then tap on Graphics Settings. Enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling if your GPU supports it. And lastly is to reinstall Fortnite. This is optional, so if stuttering persists, then reinstalling the game may resolve corrupted files. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!